it's me, Umar, and I meant to say hey YouTube. I'm going to show you how to make the origami flapping bird. In my next video I'll show you how to make the Dust 8 transforming ninja star. As you can see I've already made the crease there because my other video got ruined. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Crease there.
No.
Okay, then you make the crease. Then you unfold it, then fold it vertically, or if you just want to cheat, make it like that and fold it down to the bottom, neatly as possible.
I'm just done with this.
All your creases. Then open it up, then turn it that way, then fold it down again. Crease. Then you open it, and this diagonal line you fold down on that, and then as you can see there are these lines here, and then you're going to tuck these corners in just like we did in the water bomb. So lift this up like so and then tuck, then make a crease there, and do the same with this side like so. If you're having problems, I'll wait for a while and then you can be ready.
10 seconds.
I'm going to give you 5 seconds this time. I'm going to be nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5. There. Now the open side should be down and the block side should be up. Then right now we're gonna make the pedal fold. Get this and align it into the middle, like so.
I have to go to my mum. Papa.
Instead of folding it directly, fold it in half first to make it easier, so you can see the line clearer. And then crease. Then you fold it into the line in the middle. This line should align with that. Make sure it's as neat as possible and the bottom edge is pointed. Now do that with the remaining 3 sides.
Option.
So then once you've done that, and you can see I've done it as if by magic, and then you fold this top pedal down to make it look like a pedal. So fold it down onto this line, like so, and then it looks like a pedal. As you can see, it's a pedal. Then you turn it around and fold it that way, and make sure it is neat as possible. Then this is the tricky part. So you unfold all these folds that you've made here, then carefully you get one side. Lift it up to that line, and as you can see, these folds won't let you go. So all you do is just push them down, just like so, and then you've got one corner. Do it the same with the remaining 3 sides, like that. Fold it to the middle, on the line. Then you've got one side. As if by magic! Yay! Okay, so then you fold this. As you can see, this part's the open part, this part's locked. Then you fold this to the side, then pull this part up to the top. Then you fold it back round, then do the same with this side. And you fold it up. Then you do the same by folding it like that. There you've got your thingy, and then you fold this out so that this line meets with it. About there, as you can see, it's been aligned. on both sides, and then you take this, and you do the same with this side. Align it there.
Stop.
And then you turn it around because this part's not good enough. This part's opening more, so I'll use that as an example for the head. Then you fold it. You open this, then just tuck it in like that. There. And then you're almost done with the origami flapping bird. Then you fold this down onto this line, like so. Then you do the same with this side. And then you fold these up there, like just fold them up. They should come out like that, so it'll make a model that you can so it will stand. Then you fold the back up as well, and then to make it flap, pull the wings down, hold the neck there, then just pull like that. Ah! How dare you disobey my orders? Listen to what I say. If it don't work, then just crease them more and then pull these up a bit.
It's butterfly.
Ah! Voices in my head. Why do they always haunt me? It's getting annoying. There's your origami flapping bird. That's all, folks, and thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. And I used to call myself Anonymous, but I have no idea why. But as you can see, I've changed my username to Umobot, and my pictures of a speed motorbike, and you can check my name and subscribe up there. My name's there. Not there.
It's ready.
There.
Ready.
And subscribe button there, the silver button there. And you can read the description below and all the comments. Please rate, like, and subscribe. Thanks.